Here are 5 facts about the Kakapo parrot that almost no one knows. Number 5. The male Kakapo creates low-frequency booming calls that can travel up to 5 kilometers in dense forest. But individual males have unique tonal signatures, so females can identify them by voice alone. Number 4. Kakapo use their nostrils to smell their way through the forest, using their sense of smell to detect predators, food, and even subtle changes in forest terrain. This is unusual for parrots, most of which have poor sense of smell. Number 3. Kakapo only lay eggs when there's plenty of rimu fruit available. The frequency of egg laying can vary regionally, creating almost skip years where some populations don't breed at all. 2. The moss-green feathers on their bodies help them camouflage into their surroundings, making them almost silent as they move through the foliage. And number 1. Kakapo can remember individual humans and other birds that they've interacted with, and their past social interactions can influence their mating success. Older females often guide younger males on how to build an effective nest. Now you know. Hit the like button for more fun facts every day.